There are over 1,200 islands in Croatia, and one of them is Korčula. During our 3-season exploration of Croatia, we passed Korčula many times. This time, we finally decided to explore this beautiful town. We are in the town of Korčula, on the island of Korčula. So we stopped here to look at the town, of course, but we also were hiding from bad weather. See this cloud that's hanging over. Yeah, they're forecasting thunderstorm and winds up to 35-40 knots again. So we are hiding in the marina today and have a chance to walk in Korčula. As many other towns and islands in Croatia, Korčula was under the rule of different powers: the Illyrians, the Greeks, the Venetians, the Austrians, and the Brits. And each civilization has left its unique mark on the island. The Venetian influence can be seen in the recognizable architecture of the Korčula Old Town. Korčula's street layout is shaped like a fishbone. The side streets are never perpendicular to the main street. They are positioned at an angle. This is to protect the town and its residents from the sea winds, which could be ridiculously strong, as we had a chance to experience this year. One of the fun facts about Korčula, that Marco Polo, the legendary explorer, was said to have been born on the island. I have checked a few sources of information, and it is not exactly clear whether or not Marco Polo was really born on the island. He was born in the Venetian Republic, and Korčula was a part of it at that time. The rest is unknown. However, the Marco Polo theme is very popular in the town of Korčula. Another fun fact about Korčula is that Sir Fitzroy MacLean was given direct orders from Winston Churchill to bomb Korčula during the Second World War. But while flying over Korčula, MacLean thought it was too beautiful to demolish it and passed on by. Later, as thanks to his mercy, the ancient Croatian law that disallows foreigners to buy properties on Korčula was amended for one day so that MacLean could buy a family house there. We are climbing the bell tower in Korčula. It's San Marco bell tower, and it's very narrow here. I already feel claustrophobic. Going further, there is view from the window on the square below. And on the restaurants below. And Alex is behind me. Okay, and we climb further to the bell tower. So we almost on the top. I don't know how much further I can climb. There is very narrow
passage still up, right to the bells. So this is the closest to the bells I've ever been. Oh, this is amazing. And the view from here, I'll show you, is absolutely stunning. Here is the marina where Ariste is now standing, moored securely for the night. The night is forecasted to be very stormy. And this is the other part of the bay.
Korčula has many nicknames. People call it Little Dubrovnik, the crown jewel of the Adriatic, Emerald Island, the picture-perfect island, and all this can be truly said about this island and the town of Korčula. This was our short story about the island of Korčula and the town of Korčula. We are leaving the town and we are trying to escape yet another storm in Adriatic, as you can see. We are going to the island of Mljet and then we'll go back to Dubrovnik for repairs after our sad grounding accident. And you can watch the details about our accident in our other video. And for now, thank you for watching.